leave this family alone. The time wey dem never dey get view, una no draw the up and down like this. Now wey dem don dey get view, dem don dey make am, dem don dey get money. Na now una wan saga dem dey draw the up and down. Make una stop this rubbish wey una dey do so. Because of what aga suse agbon iye bege. Aigari yemine wahi aladian we that dey corner na call dey jealous. Na jealousy go kpai all of una. Wey be say batch no chop una money. Una say e chop una money. If you do your work, he enter your page. Go service am according to him. He service am well, he do wetin you say may do. Maybe later, Facebook finally come write you say they no accept. Like if Facebook message to Mr. Bash, Papa Anointed and Mama Anointed. Hey, whoa, my people. Papa Anointed don really serious for this matter. Say he wan return money to the people wey dey drawing up and down. Say he collect money from them. Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to una time. How una dey, my wonderful people? Yes, I don come out say make I come chook mouth for this matter because una know say as aproko the godmother wey me I be now, this matter don dey take for ground o. Me I be think say e go soon end, now I say make I just dey look. See that look na dog name. As I dey look say the matter no gree end. Aproko the godmother need to chook mouth to my people, my country people, my fellow Nigerians. If una know say this man no chop una money, and una come dey draw and come mad say e chop una money just to create content, e no go really better for those of una wey dey draw without say e no chop una money. Why una be like this, my people? My fellow Nigerians, why are you people like this? Okay, una don see am say this man don dey better. They don dey hear im name. The truth dey talk am say if person dey suffer for this life, e no dey see anybody o. If person dey struggle for this life, e no dey see anybody. But if something don better for that person, all of una go come dey bring una head come out. Una go come dey come out to try to spoil that person name. Why una true be like this, my Nigeria people? E no good for una o. Person wey be say e just newly open page of 18 or e don open page down since 1 year plus and the person dey struggle for view. Una no dey draw that person. Una no dey draw likpa. Una no dey draw up and down like chigum. Where e come be say the time wey batch dey teach all of una for this social media say how to monetize page, how to do this, how to create a Facebook page, how to do this, how to do that. Una no draw at that time because ovia wo dey hustle how you want to get view for social media. Una no come out come dey draw her up and down because I know say few of una or a lot of una as well wey dey draw this batch say e chop una money. So I know say e no chop some of una money. Wetin make me talk this thing? A lot of people, they are ungrateful on this earth that we have. Una dey grateful, my people. Why I talk say una dey grateful? A lot of people, especially the content creators, not be the viewers I dey talk o. The content creator dem, una dey ungrateful because me myself, this social media I don start am since 3 years now. Na YouTube na I take start social media of 18 as a blogger, as a creator, because I was creating my own contents as a cooker. I was creating my own contents. You understand? Wait o. As I don take reach for social media of 18, so my people, I don't know a lot of things for social media of 18. I know how to monetize page. I know how to monetize Facebook. I know how to create a Facebook channel. I know how to create page. I know a lot of things. And a lot of people are really calling me that I should help them how to monetize their page, how to get followers. You understand? You get person where they enrage, coded followers. I go say yes, I go give that person una contact. Una go arrange the followers. Wait o. If una not true dey ungrateful, the way una take dey beat batch for a good so. A lot of una, wetin dem dey call 50 stars, una no dey give. Una never give me star. A lot of una when I don help for page, una don monetize una page. I never see 1 naira or centime say una don come dash me for my page. Una never come even super chat me for YouTube. Una be ungrateful people. Wey be say I no even collect dime for una, I no collect shishi from una. Una be ungrateful people. I dey see some of una say una don monetize. Una never even give me call say, sweet mother, I don monetize that page wey you help me for, wey you for put me through, but if that page get issue now, you go come call me. Na there, na I for dey wait for una. Una be ungrateful people. Even if e be say batch, e really chop una money according to una. How e take chop una money? Na this question na me come ask una mostly. Because person wey you call say you get problem for your page say you want make e help you, maybe you get restriction or you get copyright or you get wetin dem dey call this all those video wey dey get yellow sign, you go call am. For him, that time wey you wan take create your own con ten t, e dey help you. You want make e do am for you for free, make e no drink mouth. As far as say una no dey use una church mind, e need to tell una say make una dey pay 50 euro or 100 euro. Na because una no deserve anything wey dem dey do for una free. My fellow Nigeria people, na una I dey talk to. Una dey ungrateful. Wey somebody go do good for una, una no go say make una even give that person star or share the person video. Una dey stingy, una dey greedy. It's good to say the truth. This thing e don dey do me for year one kind. Ogini walking wey be say person just do marriage this weekend, una don dey draw up and down. Una no let him with him wife drink water keep cup. Una no let her enjoy him honeymoon. Eri wajia abogboma yese. Na so una like to dey spoil person mood. Una no like better thing. Una no like good thing. So I say make I come tell una, why una no leave this family alone? The time wey dem never dey get view, una no draw dey up and down like this. Now wey dem don dey get view, dem don dey make am, dem don dey get money. Now una wan saga dem dey draw dey up and down. Make una stop this rubbish wey una dey do so. Because of what aga suse agbon iye bege. Aigari ye mine wa here aladian we that dey corner na call dey jealous. Na jealousy go kpai all of una. Wey be say batch no chop una money, una say e chop una money. If you do your work, he enter your page, go service am according to him. He service am well, he do wetin you say may do. Maybe later Facebook finally come write you say they no accept. Like if Facebook dismonetize you now, say restriction of a thing, they go tell you make you reapply. You can't batch can't help you go reapply now. They can't write you say they no gree for that apply where you apply. Maybe you still get some things where you for fuck up for your page. You get reuse content. You can't blame batch. Say me can't return your money. He do it for you. I be not do it for you. I work by my yesi. He do it for you now. Now so na be. I dey ask una. Una wan you use batch take shine. Una wan use am take get view. Now wan use am. I don't see the other one the other day. You don't dey get view for our page. The time where this boy dey struggle, he never dey get view. Una no dey, e no dey popular for una mouth like this. Una never dey draw kiti kata like this. Bash do this, bash do that. Make una leave this family alone. Enough is enough. Make una let them enjoy their marriage. The views wey they get, they make their money. Una let them enjoy ram. Una go still create una content. Make una still dey get una view. This life na jeje o. Una no jealous batch. Because he passed through a lot before he could be where he could dey where he dey today. Una understand? Like me now, I dey struggle for where for dey eat. Sweet mother mukbang, sweet mother family mukbang. I know they get view for now. Why una no come draw me now? Una come saga me. Una come draw me. Una say this woman, because I dey see some comment for my comment section say the way you are eating is disgusting. What do you need saga men? Am I for dey popular? Am I for go viral? Because una no say shikba no dey my side. I know they gave you. If una draw me, una no get view. Una no dey popular. Una know wetin una dey do o. All those viewers, all those I say viewers, content creator like us. Una know wetin una dey do. Una wan use bash take get view, use a popular. If you be say bash no chop your money, and you can't dey draw and say chop your money, you give am money, e just chook am for pocket, e no even enter your page, e no do anything for you, and now you come dey use am dey shine, you dey use am dey make money dey put for pocket. Dat money go hang for your throat, sister. Dat money go hang for your throat, brother. Because dis attitude wey una wan start for social media, una don already start am, e no good o. Now una don leave corral for one side. Na person wey don dey get big view now una dey like to dey draw up and down. Why una no draw me sweet mother na? Una know say me no dey get view. Na make una no draw me up and down say see the way you take dey eat o, you no dey eat this, dey do the see hand o, why you dey use hand dey eat o, why you no use fork o, why you no use spoon? Why una no saga me una draw me na? Me I dey popular. Na that population na all of una dey find na. Na people wey never know wetin una dey find sef, na just dey men una dey use ovie una wan use am build una page. Abi lie? Abi content creator like una? Abeg make una leave that family alone na. Una let dem drink water keep cup. Na be wetin I come tell una. Owa asu se amina womadore igbovogare ihekori ewa. I don't know as they sing that music. Ewa jena ivie do ivie o Agbo or Hausa or Yoruba or Igbo, my fellow Nigeria. Mona leave batch and the family alone. And make una dey pray say anytime when I take dey wash batch and e wife, I dey say God, hey, these people no dey get view before o. Now they don dey get view, they don dey get money, because for social media, if you no dey get view, you no get money. Na that one me dey even dey tell the talk. I never call am once, so I no even get papa anointed number badge. I no get wife number. Na that one dey reason if papa anointed dey talk and say, open your page, create your page, money dey this thing. I'll say, Mr. Batch, for my mind o, I'll say, you for still dey tell them say if you no dey get view, no dey get money o. Na only if you dey get the view, na you dey get the money. Na all those things that dey disturb you for bro. You understand? So make you dey tell them wetin still dey follow and dey go. If you say make dem come social media, come open page, make dem create their page, dey make so money. See money wey you make, brother. Na because say you dey get big view, na make you dey make that kind money. So if you dey make less view like me now, for that my sweet mother family mukbang, where I for dey eat, brother, I no dey get view, I no dey get money. E don reach 1 month when I monetize na $5 na dey there. Wetin cause am? Because say view no dey, big view like 20k, 30k, 100k. If you dey get all those one, you dey get am clear, you dey get better money. So brother, make you still dey charge that one join am, Mr. Batch. If you dey tell people to create a Facebook page, say money dey, we want make all of them come, make dem come follow us chop now. Because no be we dey pay the money, na mazu na dey pay the money. You understand? So make everybody wey be say e no dey shy, people wey no we don throw away shame for one corner, because me I be person wey dey shame well before. But as social media matter koko, I still dey see say 100 card, 200 cards still dey come and depends how view take come. Now make me still enter. If not, wetin concern me concern social media. And a lot of people dey even dey reason and say we wey dey social media, we no dey, that is, we no get shame, or I want to put am sef, that is, we no dey responsible. Say our enemy life dey useless. No be all of us come social media come do ashiwowo, ashiwelewele or come find man. A lot of us, we know wetin carry us come media. Those wey come find man dey, those wey just come colomate dey. Depends of wetin carry each person comot for Nigeria, una understand, and wetin motivate you enter social media. For me, wetin motivate me na the money wey dey, nothing else. I dey tell una the truth. If I no dey get anything, carry my page enter house, I no dey get shishi for wetin na. Wetin I call the sample, or call dey open my mouth wide dey eat for social media, e no go happen na, because I know the kind family when I from dey come. So my family members, a lot of them don understand say okay, na wetin you dey gain na make you dey, if na so make you still dey support your husband dey work, I need to support am. I no fit just leave my man for maggi, salt, everything. Una understand? So we have a purpose why we are on social media. So the rest of una, I no know why una dey social media. So they wey come make trouble, wey come make problem, depends. Una understand? Abeg, make we take this social media money, make we dey take am easy, my people. Cora now, una don drag her. Some people still dey drag her now. wetin una dey drag those people for big big people wey don dey get big big view? Na because of say their viewers go come view una. Na because of the view wey dem dey get na dey pepper una. Make we dey tell ourselves the truth. For me, anything wey I get, I go take am, but I know that there is time for everything. I dey always dey pray and say, God wey do am for Bash and him wife, make God still answer me one day. Make a lot of people still know my page, my two page, Sweet Mother Gist TV and my Sweet Mother Family Mo Bank. You understand? So na my people, una leave Bash and him wife alone. Make dem enjoy their honeymoon and marriage. Na I say make I come tell una. God bless you all for watching Sweet Mother Gist TV. Please like and share this video. Very important, okay? See you guys on my next video. Bye. No forget, Sweet Mother no dey quick dey come out, come dey talk or chook mouth for matter for social media. Ikwa ibugbe umenmwan arwa oyin. Wa bye bye ivie. Bye everyone. God bless you all.